So what you're witnessing is my conure eating Barbari bread. I don't know what it is about this parrot. He loves Barbari. He must have been a construction worker in Iran or his ancestors. I don't know. Look at him eating away Barbari. Here he goes again, eating more Barbari. How is it, Ashi? Is it good? So whenever I get a chance, I toast some Barbari bread for him. I didn't realize my conure was a torch. He loves it. Look at him. Eating away. Do you like the pizza, Ashi? Pizza crust by Diamora, enjoyed by Ashi. And he's dropping it. How's your pizza, Ash?